Here is a lesson on enlargements. Enlargements is a type of transformation, and it's basically where you are going to enlarge a shape. In this case we have a rectangle, and you'll be told two pieces of information. You'll be told the scale factor, which is a 2 in this case, and you'll be told the centre of enlargement, which is a coordinate. And in this case the centre of enlargement is 2, 1, and that's where I've put the cross on the grid. So this is how you have to enlarge a shape. You're going to start from the cross, always start from the cross, and pick a corner of the rectangle. Let's pick the bottom left there, and you're going to count from the cross how to get there. So it's 2 across and 1 up. So repeat that again, 2 across and 1 up. So there is the first point of our new rectangle. Okay, now let me just get rid of those marks so I can do the next point. Right, we're now going to do the bottom right. So again, from the cross, always start from the cross, count 3 across and 1 up. So do the same thing again, 3 across and 1 up. So there's our next point. We've got 2 to do. I'm now going to do the top left here. Start from the cross, 1, 2 across, and 1, 2, 3 up, and repeat it again. 1, 2 across, 1, 2, 3 up. Now we've got 3 of the points now, and it's quite obvious where the last point is going to go. It's going to go just there. So my new rectangle looks like that. So you'll notice that the sides of the rectangle have doubled. My small rectangle has a height of 2 and my new rectangle has a height of 4. So they've been doubled because it's a scale factor of 2. The area, however, the area of my small rectangle is 2 times 1, which is 2. I'll write that in the middle. So the area of my small rectangle is 2, but the area of my big rectangle is 8. So what's happened here? Well, my smaller area has been doubled and doubled again. Okay, I'm now going to do another example with a scale factor of 3. So here we have a triangle. We're going to enlarge it by a scale factor of 3, and the centre of enlargement this time is 7, 0. So that's where the cross is. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom right hand corner, this one here. So start from your cross again, and it's 1 up. Now because it's a scale factor of 3 this time, I need to go 1 up again and 1 up again. So that point there will be my start of my new triangle. Okay, now I'm going to do it in purple. I'm going to do the bottom left hand corner. So from my starting cross, it's 2 across and 1 up. So repeat it, 2 across and 1 up, and again 2 across and 1 up. So this is my new point, the second point of my triangle. Now I've got one more point to do, that is the top one. I shall do it in blue, this point here. So from my starting cross I go 1, 2, 3, do it again, 1, 2, 3, and one more time, 1, 2, 3, and that's my third point. Okay, so let me clear all these bits and then I'll draw in the triangle. Okay, so my new triangle looks like there, 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 and again the length of the sides of my smaller triangle have been tripled this time because it was a scale factor of 3. But the area, well, the area of my smaller triangle is base times height divided by 2, so it will be 2 in this case. And therefore the area of my new triangle will be that 2 times 3 times 3. So you're timesing by the scale factor and then timesing by the scale factor again. So that gives you 18 in this case. Okay, there is enlargements.